Good afternoon, Eagles, and welcome to this week's Eagle Check-In. This is Hearne ISD, where Eagles soar. Great things happen for every student every day, and we're excited to share these things with you this week because we believe in keeping the main thing, and that main thing is student success, but only with you as we celebrate the things happening, the things we can do together. Did you know that Hearne ISD has a new print newsletter? Check it out online, pick it up on campus, or look for it in the community. STAAR testing began this week at Hearne ISD. Good luck to our Eagles. Congratulations to Hearne Eagles track and field area qualifiers. We look forward to sharing area results with you soon. Also, last week, the Hearne Eagles All-Stars Special Olympics team competed in College Station, and we are excited to share some extreme success with you this week. The Hearne Eagles All-Stars competed last Saturday, April 6th, and we have a number of gold, silver, and bronze medalists to share with you this week. We look forward to them competing at the next level in the Special Olympics. If you'd like to learn more about the Special Olympics, please check out the link in the video description. If you see these students at school or in the community, make sure you congratulate them for a job well done. We're very proud of them and hope to see them competing at the next level. This is Hearne ISD, where Eagles soar. Upcoming events in Hearne ISD and in the surrounding community are now shown on your screen. Remember, STAAR testing began last week here in Hearne ISD and will be ongoing throughout the month of April. Specific dates for each campus testing are now shown on your screen. Please pause your video if you need to take any notes or see specific dates for your student on campus. Hearne ISD is also proud to be able to advertise events for our partner organizations in and around Hearne ISD. Also, next week on the 15th is our next town hall meeting. Other events are now shown on your screen. Again, please pause your video to read information if you need to do so, or visit our website, hearneisd.com, and check out the calendar online for more event information.
Hi, I'm Allie Worster. I'm a family nurse practitioner, and I'm here to tell you a little about the Texas A&M School of Nursing Mobile Clinic. We are parked on site in Hearne every Friday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and it's a nurse practitioner run clinic, and we service the students here at the school district as well as the whole community and surrounding areas. We offer full primary care services, so that runs from the common cold to an ear infection to strep throat and flu and COVID to managing the chronic conditions that a lot of community members may be struggling with high blood pressure, with diabetes, depression, all of those sorts of things we're happy to address and help everyone out with.
Our mobile clinic offers complete primary care services. We can do prescriptions, vaccines. We even provide state-provided vaccines for those without insurance. We take all insurances except for Molina Healthcare, so we do take all the primary insurances such as Medicaid, Medicare, Blue Cross Blue Shield, United Healthcare, just to name a few. For those who do not have insurance, we do offer a sliding scale discount. What that means is based on your personal circumstances, we will offer a discount based on your income, your dependence of your school. We can offer up to as low as $15 for a visit, depending on that situation. So we have a great sliding scale and opportunities for anybody who has insurance or without insurance.